I'll be sorry when you did me wrong. How can I show pity when you get it wrong? You just know my music gonna rise now. Sorry, I had a client call, too busy getting ice now.
What's up guys, T-Boy, the Blaze White here, back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can view your Instagram in landscape, or horizontally. So you can see I open my Instagram app, it's normal. And if I try to turn my phone, nothing happens yet as of now, because everything's normal. So first I'm going to tell you what you need. So I'm going to link them in the description. So what you're going to need is IGTV videos that can rotate. So I got this one from my good friend Mixy TV. And this Mixy TV one, you can actually rotate it just like this.
Jefferson reports aren't done. They are done. They're right here.
Alright, so to pull this off with IGTV, you're going to need to rotate your phone like that. Go into the Instagram app, go to your IGTV, make sure your phone's still rotated. It doesn't show right now, but you're going to want to click on the IGTV that rotates to the full screen and click off it really fast. So while I'm still holding my phone horizontally, just click on it really fast and get out of it. And as you can see, I'm now in horizontal mode. I'm going to go back in the DM and everything's horizontally. I can exit the app and go back in if I really wanted to. If you can see that. As I'm still horizontal, you know, or I'm actually in landscape. So yeah, give you Instagram like this, it looks a little bit glitchy. All you want to do is not refresh. I don't know what you do, I forgot. Yeah, I guess you can just refresh it. Sometimes it glitches the bottom right where it shows your profile icon 2 times. And you can see you can view your profile in horizontal on your phone. Now for iPhones, you're going to need to not have the bottom left icon enabled, or else it will lock your screen into vertical. Just saying, users have that. Anyway, but yeah, just have your screen turn horizontally and all that. And yeah, you can just look at your Instagram profile, look at any post horizontally, and does the same thing with videos.
With my beautiful sword.
Yeah.
And I got my beautiful like pillow. I'm so happy with it.
Now, I really don't like viewing videos like that unless they're already posted, like horizontally and not in a vertical manner. But it's really good at looking for posts like these. Yeah, that's how you view your Instagram horizontally. Sometimes the bottom right glitches where you see your profile icon 2 times. Sometimes you don't, but yeah, everything's horizontal now. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I am very close to 1,000 subscribers. I would appreciate if we did hit 1,000. Also Instagram close to 1,000 followers, and just saying, but mostly I want my YouTube to hit 1K soon. That'll be nice. Alright, hope you enjoyed this exploit. This was founded by me. I did find this like 2 weeks ago though. Anyway, see you guys later. T-Boy T fans, yeah.